What's going on, guys? I want to do a little recap on Nvidia. So we had a few members play Nvidia to the downside today. I want to go over those trades and kind of show you guys, because some of you guys were in the live stream when it happened. Some of you guys were in Discord when you've seen some of the members posting up some gains from Nvidia trades. So again, that first level was going to be from one of the members who went through yesterday's lows and pre-market lows. So if we notice, yesterday's lows on Nvidia was sitting right around 489.5. That was also taking out the pre-market lows levels. So as soon as that level starts to get broken and it starts to break down below this 50 SMA into the 50 EMA, there was a little bit of room here initially to stop at around 488.5. And as soon as it started to crack that, you had your next demand zone at around 484. So he sold on the way down. I think he took a nice little $450 winner on that. Then we had Andre come in with a big bag winner as well. Again, on the first hour candle here. So if you notice, this first hour candle closed below the 5, 10, 20, and 50-day moving average, okay? It came down in width to this bottom channel here at the linear regression. That price was sitting at around 484.70s, okay? So 484.70s, as soon as we're at the top of the hour comes here at 7 a.m., that's the candle we were looking to see if it can confirm this low wick here. We can tell by the chart that potentially we have room to the next demand zone, right? So if we look at that level, look at the amount of space that we have here between 480, all the way down here to 481. That's your potential. I sold in the 482s. I think Andre held for a little bit longer than I did as we came into this demand zone here. But again, you can see top of the hour candle. All we need to do is, I don't care if this bounces, which it did at one point in time. It just bounced, got rejected, stayed below the 5-day moving average. It's still trading below the 50. There's no harm, no foul. And as soon as it starts to trickle down and lose those first hour lows, we need to be short, right? So there's no hesitation really. Either the trade's going to work or it's not. If it's not going to work, we're going to get stopped out. End of story. We look for another trade setup. As it starts to confirm here, 484.65 starts to trickle down $1, $2, and then you can see it eventually does come all the way down to 481, which was about a $3.50 move from the point of entry. Again, I only took about $1.80 to $2 off the move. Played a little bit bigger sizing today because the contracts were a lot cheaper than, let's say, playing Nvidia on a Monday or a Tuesday, right? So I was able to load up a little bit more contracts and then take that bigger move, on the P&L side, but not necessarily a bigger move as far as me holding it, right? So again, if you look at the potential there, we bounced right here off of this 100 EMA, right? So as soon as we bounced off the 100 EMA, we did get a nice little dead cat bounce here intraday into its 5-day moving average on a 1-hour time frame at around 487.92, and it got rejected. So after it got rejected, it never really put in a new high. You could see here on the video that if it did take out this 50 EMA over 488.25, it could have potentially ran up to 489.65. Never happened, so there was no long position there, and there was also no short position. Right? There was no short position. We never took out the day's low. We never lost the next level of demand. Again, remember, guys, when stocks lose a level of demand, they're going to trade to the next level of demand. When they lose a level of demand, they're going to trade to the next level of demand. When they lose a level of demand, they're going to trade to the next level of demand. Just the same thing as we start reclaiming, right? When we reclaimed a level of supply, we traded to the next level of supply. Now, if we would have confirmed over this supply, we would have traded to the next level of supply. More than likely, it happens 7-8 times out of 10, guys. So again, technical analysis does work. You have to learn how to read the charts. You have to learn how to kind of, go with the flow here. But I just wanted to kind of give you guys an idea and update as to what we were doing in the live stream this morning, kind of go over the trades in a little bit slower of a fashion. That way, now that the candlesticks have stopped, you can kind of see, okay, why did they take those trades? You had one trader take it below yesterday's lows as well as pre-market lows, took it through the 50 SMA with intentions of selling down here at the 50 EMA, kind of holding it to see if it's going to break, and then selling on the next level down. Again, just like my trade here, I got in through the bottom here, so I waited 30 minutes for the market. I allowed that opening range to get set, and then I took the confirmation here and took it for about $1.80, $2 on the move. So again, if you guys do want to jump into live streams, make sure you guys visit evolutiontraders.com. It's a last ditch effort, guys. Like this needs to be closed. I have 2,000 videos on YouTube, and probably about 1,000 of them have the link for that lifetime access. That lifetime access is no longer, okay? So if you get a chance to join through the lifetime access before you get a chance, before the links come down, then good, touche on you, right? But I'm deleting all of the links. They will come down. So again, just kind of keep that in mind. We're going to go to the new website in the new system as you know, how we're going to get into the Discord from there. But again, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see all of you guys on the next video.